Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Now go to the problem. Seventh one. Find the points on the x-axis whose distances from the line x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1 at 4 units. We have to find points on the x-axis. The distance from that point to the line, a distance are given that 4 units. Here we have to write coordinates of the point on x-axis. X-axis, y-axis, here y is origin. Here is some point P point I am taking. Here it lies on x-axis. What about y coordinate value 0? Let us take x coordinate value x. Any point on x-axis can be taken as x comma 0. On x-axis y coordinate value 0. Here x coordinate value, let us take x. First we shall find the value of x and write the coordinates of that point, required point. Let I am taking P of x comma 0 be a point on the x-axis respectively, and given line is this, the given line x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1. I am going to write in terms of general equation. We know that ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here x coefficient here we have 1 by 3. 1 by 3 into x plus y coefficient 1 by 4 into y, which here plus 1 at the left side, minus 1, which is equal to 0. Correct. Comparing with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here x coefficient a value, y coefficient b value, c value minus 1. X coefficient a value, a is equal to 1 by 3, and y coefficient b value, b is equal to 1 by 4, and c is equal to minus 1. Correct. This line here, given line equation, I am taking call it as equation 1. A distance from here point on x-axis to the line 1, given line, here given the distance 4 units. Correct. Here distance from the point, here point x comma 0 to the line given line, this is given line 1, is equal to, here given that distance 4 units. Got it? 4 units. Distance from the point here x comma 0 to the line, given line means this is x by 3 plus y by 4 is equal to 1, is equal to distance 4. We know that formula. Distance from the point x1 comma y1 to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is given by, we know that, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by square root of a square plus b square is equal to 4. Here point means clearly x1 equal to x, y1 equal to 0. This is x1 comma y1. Next, here we have a value 1 by 3, b equal to 1 by 3, c equal to minus 1 here. Right, I am substituting the values. A equal to 1 by 3 into x1 equal to x, plus b is equal to 1 by 4, y1 value 0, plus c is equal to minus 1, divided by square root of a square plus b square, a equal to 1 by 3 whole square and b equal to 1 by 4 whole square is equal to 4. Just simplify this. One by 3 into x into 1 x by 3 plus 0 into 1 by 4 0 plus 0 plus into minus 1 divided by square root of 1 by 3 whole square, 1 square 1, 3 square 9, 1 by 9 plus 1 square 1, 4 square 16, 1 by 16 is equal to 4 RHS. Modulus of x by 3 minus 1 divided by root of the LCM of 9 and 16. These two are not dissolved by any same number other than 1. Therefore, I am multiplying 9 into 16 here, 144. 16 9 is 144. 16 into 1 cross multiplication 16 plus 9 into 1 9, which is equal to 4. Modulus of clear 3 is the LCM, x minus 1 into 3 minus 3 divided by root of 16 plus 5, 25 divided by 144 here is equal to 4. Modulus of x minus 3 divided by 3, root of 25 5 divided by root of 144 12 here clearly is equal to 4. By taking cross multiplication, modulus of x minus 3 by 3, which is equal to 4, this into by cross multiplication directly 5 by 12. 4 ones are 4 threes are. Modulus of x minus 3 by 3, which is equal to 5 by 3. Equating on both sides, 3 gets cancelled. Correct. Next step. Modulus of x minus 3, which is equal to 5. We know that modulus of x minus 3 equal to 5 means your domain value x minus 3 value either plus 5 or minus 5. Therefore, take it as x minus 3 equal to plus or minus 5. By removing modulus here, this value x minus 3, which is equal to plus or minus 5. We know that. Here we have two values, x minus 3, which is equal to plus 5, or x minus 3, which is equal to minus 5. X equal to 5, minus taking right side, plus 3. X equal to 5 plus 3, 8. Here x which is equal to minus 5, minus 3 become taking right side, plus 3. X equal to minus 2. Correct. Therefore, the required points are x comma 0. Substitute your x value 8 comma 0, and substitute x value your minus 2 comma 0. Got it? Mind it? Let x comma 0 be a point on x axis. Any point on the x axis can be taken as x comma 0. Here given line is x by 3 plus y by 4, which is equal to 1. Here x coefficient 1 by 3 into x, y coefficient plus 1 by 4, plus 1 tied left side minus 1, which is equal to 0, called as equation 1. Comparing this equation with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. X coefficient a value, a is equal to 1 by 3, y coefficient b value, b is equal to 1 by 4, c is equal to minus 1. So here given that distance from the point on x-axis x comma 0 to the line, given line is equal to 4 here, given that. Formula, we know the standard formula, modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square is equal to 4. So clearly x1 is equal to x, y1 equal to 0. Here we have a, b, c values. Substituting here, a equal to 1 by 3, x1 equal to x plus b is equal to 1 by 4, y1 value 0 plus c equal to minus 1 divided by a equal to 1 by 3 whole square plus b equal to 1 by 4 whole square. 1 by 3 into x into 1 x by 3 plus 0 into anything 0 plus 0 minus 1 divided by square root of 1 by 3 square 9 plus 1 by 4 square 16 is equal to 4 RHS. X by 3 minus 1 divided by square root of 16 9 is 144, 16 into 1 16 plus 9 into 1 9 is equal to F4A. We are taking LCM in numerator, 3 is the LCM, x minus 1 into 3 3 divided by root of 16 plus 9 25 divided by 144 is equal to 4 here. Modulus of x minus 3 divided by 3 divided by root of 25 5 root of denominator 144 12 is equal to RHS here 4. By taking cross multiplication, this numerator as it is 4 into 5 by 12. 4 ones are 4 threes are 5 by 3. Now equating on both sides, 3 gets cancelled. We get modulus of x minus 3 is equal to 5. By removing modulus we get x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus 5. Here x minus 3 is equal to plus 5 or x minus 3 is equal to minus 5. Here x equal to 5 plus 3, x equal to 8. Here x equal to minus 5, minus taking right side, plus 3, minus 5 plus 3, minus 2. X value here. What is the required point? Required point is x comma 0. Substitute x value 8. 8 comma 0 and x value minus 2. Minus 2 comma 0. Got it? I'll go to the next one. Next, eighth one, find the distance between parallel lines. Find the distance between parallel lines. So problem first one, 3x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. Find the distance between parallel lines. When we say the two lines are parallel means their slopes are equal means clearly they are parallel lines. You know that clearly given lines are in general form. General form. Mind it. We know that formula. The distance between two parallel lines. Mind it. The distance between two parallel lines ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0 is given by distance equal to modulus of c2 minus c1 divided by root of a square plus b square. Mind it. See, when we say that these two are parallel lines means, observe here in both equations, what about x and y coefficients are equal. Here x coefficient A, y coefficient B. Here also same, x coefficient A, y coefficient B means x and y coefficients are equal in two equations, then clearly we can say that they are parallel lines. Clearly, observe here x coefficient 3, y coefficient minus 4. Here also same, x coefficient 3, y coefficient minus 4. Whatever it may be, C1, C2, x and y coefficients are equal in any two equations, then we say that they are parallel lines. Clearly, given lines are of the form, this form. I gave this note after proving distance between parallel lines. I have given this formula, mind it. I am comparing here given lines with standard one. Here given lines which are of the form, ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Mind it. Where, what about comparing these two here? First equation first, second one and second one. X coefficient A value, A is equal to 3. Y coefficient B value, B is equal to minus 4. And C1 constant, C1 is equal to 7. C1 is equal to 7. Got it. So next year, comparing these two, x coefficient A is equal to 3 here. Again, no need to write. Y coefficient here minus 4 here. B value. B is equal to minus 4. Next C2 value different. C2 is equal to 5. C2 is equal to 5. Got it. Now formula write. Required distance between two parallel lines. Required distance D is equal to formula modulus of C2 minus C1 divided by root of A square plus B square. Modulus of C2 value 5 minus C1 value 7 divided by square root of A square plus B square. A equal to 3, A square means 3 square plus B is equal to minus 4, B square minus 4 whole square. 5 minus 7 minus 2 divided by root of 3 square 9 plus minus square plus 4 square 16. Modulus of minus 2 which is equal to what means plus 2. Modulus of minus 2 equal to plus 2 divided by root of 9 plus 16, 25. 2 divided by root of 25, 5. 2 by 5 units for each. So given lines are of the form, standard form, ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Comparing here, x coefficient a is equal to 3, y coefficient b is equal to minus 4, c1 equal to 7. Here a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4, c2 is equal to 5. Required distance d equal to modulus of c2 minus c1 divided by root of a square plus b square. Substitute the value, simplify, we get answer. And modulus of minus 2 plus 2. Now go to the next second subproblem. Find the distance between parallel lines. Second subproblem. 15x plus 8y minus 34 is equal to 0 and 15x plus 8y plus 31 is equal to 0. Correct here. Comparing here given lines with standard one. Given lines which are of the form ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Similar to last problem, here we have to find distance between two parallel lines. Comparing here standard equations with the given lines here. X coefficient a value a is equal to 15. Y coefficient b value b is equal to 8. C1 here plus C1 here we have C1 equal to minus 34, not plus 34. C1 is equal to minus 34. Next here, x coefficient a is equal to 15. Y coefficient b is equal to 8. C2 different, C2 equal to plus 31. Formula: required distance d is equal to modulus of C2 minus C1 divided by square root of a square plus b square. Substitute the values. Modulus of C2 value 31 minus C1 value minus 34 divided by square root of a square plus b square. A is equal to 15 square plus b is equal to 8 square. Modulus of 31 minus into minus plus 34 divided by square root of 15 square 225 plus 8 square 64. Modulus of 31 plus 34 65 divided by root of 225 plus 64 here 289. Modulus of 65 plus 65 divided by root of 289 clearly 70 units. 65 by 70 units. So here compare given lines with standard equations. Clearly mind it, one thing mind it, I am repeating this concept. Here in the given lines x coefficient here 15, y coefficient 8. Here x coefficient 15, y coefficient 8 equal. X and y coefficients are equal means clearly they are parallel lines. One thing mind it. Suppose find distance between two lines means first compare x and y coefficients are equal means clearly they are parallel lines. Then go to this formula. Got it? So next, 8th subproblem, third one, same type problem. Find the distance between parallel lines, third subproblem. L into x plus y plus p is equal to 0 and L into x plus y minus r is equal to 0. Mind it. I am going to express in terms of ax plus by. Clearly x plus y coefficient L. X plus y coefficient L means clearly we say that they are parallel lines. Here given lines L into x plus y plus p is equal to 0 and second one L into x plus y minus r is equal to 0. I multiply L inside, L into x, Lx plus L into y, Ly plus P is equal to 0 and L into x, Lx plus L into y, Ly minus r is equal to 0. Comparing this with standard one, ax plus by plus c1 is equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 is equal to 0. Correct. Clearly, two lines are parallel lines. Got it? X and y coefficients are equal, means parallel lines here. X coefficient A value, A is equal to L. Y coefficient B, B is equal to L. Next, C1 is equal to P. Here also same. X coefficient A is equal to L. Y coefficient B is equal to L. Same. C2 is equal to minus R. Formula: required distance between two parallel lines. Required distance D is equal to modulus of C2 minus C1 divided by root of A square plus B square. Modulus of C2 value minus R minus C1 is equal to P divided by square root of A square plus B square. A equal to L, A square L square. B is equal to L, B square L square. I am taking minus common factor here, minus common or here minus common remaining place P divided by square root of L square plus L square 2L square. One thing about it, modulus of minus x, it can be written as modulus of plus x. Cannot write modulus of minus x is equal to x because we don't know x, what type of number. X is positive means we can write, x is negative means we cannot write. Mind it. There is particular number, modulus of minus 2 we can write plus 2. Very important concept. Because here 2 is positive, plus 2 means positive. But here we don't know x is positive. Suppose here x value minus 3, it is not true. Therefore, time being here, mind it, means modulus of minus x can be written as modulus of x. Here modulus of minus x can be written as modulus of x means r plus p divided by, this can be written as root 2 into root of L square. Correct. Next step. Modulus of r plus p divided by root 2. Here squares can cancel L. L means here I am taking modulus of L. Mind it. Square root of x square. Squares can cancel means modulus of x. Because when base is positive, then only your square root cancels. Therefore, here square root of x square can be written as modulus of x base here. Squares could cancel, modulus of L. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 modulus of r plus p divided by modulus of L can be written as modulus of r plus p divided by L units. Got it. Comparing your given lines with standard equation, write ABC values. Formula, standard formula, D equal to modulus of C2 minus C1 divided by root of A square plus B square. Substitute the values. You are taking minus common factor, remaining plus R. Here minus common remaining plus P divided by L square plus L square 2L square. Here modulus of minus of R plus P can be written as modulus of plus R plus P. Since modulus of minus x is equal to modulus of plus x. Square root of 2 into square root of L square. Square root cancel. This can be written as modulus of L. Correct. 1 by root 2 into modulus of R plus P divided by L units. Got it? Yes. The next problem, 9th problem. So before going to next problem, 2 points note down. Very important points. First one, any line parallel to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is of the form ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. Here k means here some constant, k is some constant. So mind it. Any line parallel to the here this line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is of the form ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. Here k is some constant. Just I replace c by k, that's it. Ax plus by here also same ax plus by, here also ax plus by, just only replace c by k, that's it. Mind it, this means clearly these two lines are parallel. We know that two lines are parallel. What about their slopes? Their slopes are equal. What is slope of this line? Slope m is equal to minus x coefficient a divided by y coefficient b. Correct. Here also same. Slope of this line m is equal to minus x coefficient a divided by y coefficient b. Slopes of two lines are equal means clearly they are parallel. Mind it. Any line parallel to, here mind it, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is of the form ax plus by plus k is equal to 0. What about k means k is some constant value. Similarly, perpendicular line I am writing. Second one very important. Any line perpendicular to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is of the form xy, mind it, xy terms as it is I am writing, interchanging a and b here. A and b, here I am taking b, a, mind it, got it. Interchanging a and b, take your x coefficient as here b, y coefficient here a, and replace plus c by plus k is equal to 0. What about this sign means replace plus by minus. Suppose here minus means replace minus by plus. Very important. This is very important. First replacing a and b, ba here, got it, ba, and replace middle sign plus by minus, and replace c by k is equal to 0. Here what about k means k is some constant. K is some constant. Mind it, very important here. Because here any line perpendicular to this line which is of the form bx minus ay plus k is equal to 0. We know that two lines are perpendicular. What about their slopes means product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. What is the slope of first line here? M1 I am taking. Minus x coefficient a divided by y coefficient b. And what is slope of the second line here? M2, which is equal to minus x coefficient b divided by y coefficient minus a. Minus minus gets cancelled. M1 into M2. M1 equal to minus a by b into M2 value b by a. B cancel, a cancel, 1 here, minus 1. Product of the slopes equal to minus 1 means clearly two lines are perpendicular. Here we have shortcut method, directly we can write parallel line. What is the line means parallel to your given line, you can write directly. Now go to the problems, mind it. Next to problem, ninth problem, find equation of the line, parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0, and passing through the point minus 2 comma 3. Find equation of the line parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 and passing through the point. Mind it. We have to find equation of the line. The line is parallel to the line. Mind it. We know that two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. I am going to do here two methods. Mind it. First method, direct method. Second method, by using note first point, we can find required line. Mind it. First line here. Somewhere here given line 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Given line called as equation 1. Required line, this is equation 2. And say line here at take. What about means two lines are parallel means what about their slopes? Slopes are equal. Slope of the first line suppose m1 means slope of the second line m2 means clearly two lines are parallel means their slopes are equal. Got it. First I am going to find slope of this line. I am find this equation of this line. This line passing through the point some point minus 2 comma 3. First find slope. Next find equation of this line by using point slope theorem. Got it. Given line first I am taking. Given line is 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Called as equation 1. Correct. Mind it. Directly I am writing a slope of the line. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. A slope of the line. In the beginning of general equation of a line, I have explained these concepts. How to write slope of the line, x-intercept, y-intercept. Just a slope here, m is slope of the line. A slope is equal to what means minus x coefficient a divided by y coefficient b. Got it? Minus x coefficient a divided by y coefficient b. This is slope of the line. Here also I am writing directly here. Slope of the line 1 given line. Slope of line 1 is given by directly. I am denoting m1 is equal to what? Minus, put minus x coefficient 3 divided by y coefficient minus 4. Minus x coefficient 3 divided by y coefficient minus 4. Minus minus gets cancelled. We get 3 by 4. Got it. We have to find equation of the line. That line parallel to the given line. This is the required line. We have to find this line equation. This line is parallel to a given line. What about their slopes? Means their slopes are equal. Got it. Says here. Says required line is parallel to the given line. Is parallel to this is the required line parallel to given line. Then what is slope of this line means equal. Therefore, slope of the required line is m2 I am taking. m2 equal to what means equal. m2 equal to m1 clearly. What is the value of m1? m1 equal to 3 by 4 equal. Because two lines are parallel. This line passes through the point minus 2 comma 3. Point slope theorem equation I am taking here. By point slope theorem. Point slope theorem. Equation of the line. Equation of the line. Passing through the point here. Passing through the point here, point minus 2 comma 3 with slope here. I am taking m equal here, slope m equal to 3 by 4 is given by equation y minus y naught, which is equal to m into x minus x naught. Passes through the point means take x naught equal to minus 2, y naught equal to 3. And slope is equal to 3 by 4. Substituting here, y minus y naught value 3, slope m is equal to 3 by 4, x minus x naught value minus 2. By cross multiplication, 4 into y minus 3, which is equal to 3 into x minus into minus plus 2. Simplify. 4 into y 4y, 4 into minus 3 minus 12 is equal to 3 into x 3x plus 3 into 2 6. 4y minus 12, taking these two terms on left side, plus 3x become minus 3x plus 6 become minus 6 is equal to 0. Now write the equation in order. First y term here 4y, x term minus 3x. By adding constant terms here, minus 12 minus 6 minus 18 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Your x coefficient negative, or you can multiply minus on both sides. Multiplying minus on both sides, we get minus into minus plus 3x, minus into plus minus 4y, minus into minus plus 18 is equal to 0, clearly which is the required equation. Which is the required equation. This first method, direct method. Next I'm going to do alternative method. Mind it, here given line is 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Slope of the general equation, mind it, m equal to slope is equal to directly minus x coefficient a divided by y coefficient b. Here slope of the given line here is m1 equal to minus x coefficient 3 divided by y coefficient minus 4. Minus gets cancelled, get 3 by 4. Clearly required line is parallel to the given line. Find equation of the line parallel to given line. Don't get confusion. We have to find the equation of this line parallel to given line means, what about their slopes? Slopes are equal. Slope of the means here required line is parallel to given line here. Then what is the slope of the required line? Is take m2 equal to m1 because m1 means slope of the first line. Two are equal because parallel. Required lines is parallel to given line means slopes are equal, m1 equal to m2. m1 value 3 by 4. Correct. The slope is also 3 by 4. Required line. By point slope theorem, equation of the line passing through the point minus 2 comma 3 with the slope, second slope 3 by 4 is given by, we know that point slope theorem equation, y minus y naught which is equal to m into x minus x naught. Substitute the values here. Y minus y naught value 3 is equal to slope value 3 by 4, x minus x naught value minus 2. Cross multiplication, 4 into y minus 3 which is equal to 3 into x minus into minus plus 2. 4 into y 4y, 4 into minus 3 minus 12 is equal to 3 into x 3x, 3 into plus 2 plus 6. 4y minus 12, taking these terms on left side, plus 3x become minus 3x, plus 6 become minus 6 is equal to 0. Your x coefficient negative means take y as your first term, 4y minus 3x minus 12 minus 6 minus 18. And x coefficient negative means multiplying minus on both sides. Minus into minus plus 3x, minus into plus minus 4y, minus into minus plus 18 is equal to 0. Both are same. Got it. Alternative method next time. Continue next. Alternative method. For same problem. Note I given any line parallel to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is of the form ax plus by as it is plus b plus c by k is equal to 0. Got it. This is a required line here. Any line parallel to this line here. Here given line, any line parallel to the line, given line 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 is of the form ax plus by here. Ax plus by as it is ax here 3x minus 4y. Replace here 2 by constant c by k is equal to 0. This is the required line called as equation 1. A required line passes through the point minus 2 comma 3. Since line 1 required line passes through the point passes through minus 2 comma 3. Minus 2 comma 3 means substitute here x equal to minus 2, y equal to 3 in equation 1. Equation 1 becomes here x equal to minus 2, 3 into minus 2 minus 4 into y equal to 3 plus k is equal to 0. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 4 into 3 minus 12 plus k is equal to 0. Minus 6 minus 12 minus 18 plus k is equal to 0. Then k is equal to minus 18 taking right side, this become plus 18. Substitute k equal to 18 in equation 1. From 1, 3x minus 4y plus k value 18 is equal to 0, which is the required equation. Alternative method. You do any method, which method you want you can do, mind it, it's your wish. This is easy method. First one is also easy, that is direct method. Any line parallel to this line 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 is of the form 3x minus 4y as it is here, 3x minus 4y as it is, replace here 2 by k, here like that, here c by k, same, 2 by k. Called as equation 1. This is the required equation. We have to find this equation. First find k value and write required equation. Since line 1 passes through the point minus 2 comma 3 means substituting x equal to minus 2, y equal to 3 in equation 1. This is equation 1. 3 into x value minus 2 minus 4 into y value 3 plus k is equal to 0. Simplify, we get k equal to 18. Substitute k equal to 18 in equation 1, we get 3x minus 4y plus 18 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. Got it?